Hey guys, good morning, good evening. I'm going to do a rapid express monster stock hunt and review and notes for you today. And this is just going to be a straight up smash out. I've done all the research, I've found the charts. I'm going to give you the rundown. Here we go. AVBH, Avid Bank Holdings, has just broken out over the 27.95 mark and I really like it. RSI is pretty high. I personally would wait for the pullback. That's AVBH. Unit, slow and steady wins the race, and this looks really nice. I like the look of this one. Big pop out, a little bit of a pullback. I expect this trend line to continue. That's unit trading around $8 just now. I really like it. HG, slow and steady again. This is a slow burn up and down, but it's had a big run up. It's had a pop above the $28 mark, which I really like, and this looks good and volume increasing, so keep an eye on HG. INNV has had a pop. It had 100% surprise on earnings, massive jump. That's kind of a gigantic bull flag there, sort of matching the highs and lower highs as it transcends up. It's had a big pop, looks quite strong. I expect a little bit of a pullback, and that could be your get in opportunity. POCI, POCI, Precision Optics Medical Equipment. I really like this one. A long period of consolidation, which is what I'm looking for, and it's had a pop above the previous resistance and just danced along that $4.99, $5 mark, and now popped further. So I really like POCI. Keep an eye on it, POCI. And that's a wrap for today, guys. Just a very quick update from me, and I'll see you soon. Peace and love. Subscribe there, check that video out, and give me a like. Cheers, guys. Bye.